Okay, we're out here on Valentine's Day. Look at what my sweetheart is doing. He's using a big piece of wood. It's because we don't have a sledgehammer. That's amazing. Oh, now he's going to use it like a pounder. Very ingenious. He is a handyman extraordinaire. And what you got to do is figure out how to fix things and jury rig them. And in this case, we have a pole that got loosened up after the storm, so the soil gets loose. And
probably put new ones in too.
Yeah, and we used to have braces that we were forced to take down, but now we need to put more braces back up again. That's how it goes. Things go round and round. Things are broken, then you got to fix them, and then they break again, or then you got to do what you can. Did I mention that I'm Teresa Tree and I'm at the Global Family Farm at City Farm, and that we've got lots of projects today, even on Valentine's Day. Behind me, we're trying to fix our little pergola. And in front of me, we have two young guys helping with fertilizing fruit trees. Yeah, thank you, Raleigh and Colin over here. So when you're fertilizing fruit trees, it's recommended to fertilize them 3 times a year, once on Valentine's Day. So boom, here we go. Putting the Organic Plus fruit tree fertilizer. And you got to dig it down into the soil, and instead of having it sit on top.
Gotcha.
And so what you do is first you dig a little trench around the tree and put the fertilizer underneath the ground, and then you bring and put that soil back on top of the fertilizer. So that's how we'll do it next time. And appreciate the help from People's Revolutionary Garden. Colin. Yay! Thank you. Alright, Raleigh, he's got the big trench all the way around the tree, or as much as you can anyway. And then the recommended dose is 1 cup per 1 inch diameter. So is this a 2 or 3?
Yeah, it's 2 or 3. So.
2 or 3, so 2 or 3 cups of the organic fertilizer. Put it in the trench and then cover up the little trench and water it in. Thanks for your help. You want to say anything about the People's Revolutionary Garden Network?
We've just been harvesting every Sunday at a couple local gardens, and giving it to people in need in Santa Maria, and starting in San Miguel as well.
Awesome. Go where the need is and find out what you can do to meet that need. And that's exactly what this network is doing. Thank you. You guys are awesome. Okay, he's digging the trench. Then we're going to put the fertilizer in the trench and then cover it back up again so that the fertilizer goes down on the ground and where the water is, and the two shall meet and mix where the roots are, and it'll help out the apple trees. We have plum trees, we have pear trees, and this is in the Global Family Farm at City Farm. So thanks to the People's Revolutionary Garden Network for coming to help today, and thank you, Darrell, for coming today.
A lot of rot, we're going to have to replace this.
Okay.
Half of it's rotten through.
Yep. It's kind of an analogy of what's going on in our country. We got a lot of rot going on in our political system, don't we? Got to take it out. Redo it.